the little ways between us. You say my name like you're testing how it feels.
I trace the steam, wish I'd memorized this moment. Every quiet breath says more than what we spill.
Hi friends, and welcome back to another interesting video. So I'm going to be preparing dinner for my family and I'd love to take you along. We are going to be having nakati. These are greens, we call them nakati here in Uganda. Let me know how you call these kind of greens in your language. Yeah, so I got some avocado as well. I'll be serving it alongside my meals, and I'm going to be preparing beans. So these ones are already boiled, they are ready. I'm just going to be spicing them up and getting them ready to be served. So yeah, again we'll be having it with matoke. So let's get down to cooking. If this is your first time on this channel, it's quite a pleasure to have you here. Kindly subscribe and join the community. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. It's a pleasure to have you all here. So we are going to start with chopping our vegetables, those that we'll be adding in our beans. So yeah, I'm going to be chopping everything together as I take you along on how I made this healthy, delicious meal. So let's go.
Bare feet on the kitchen tile, cold cup in my hand still shake. You said you were fine, just tired. I heard every word you didn't say. Late train, watch the headlights fade. Hard pressed to a window pane. How can something feel this right and tear through me like rain? I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every sky we walk through, every night I break into. I can change 1,000 things, but I was born to love you. Yeah, I was born to love you. Your coat on the second chair still hangs like you just walked in. Your note on the fridge half torn, back soon turning into if friends say I should let you go. Pack up every piece of us, but how do you unknow a soul that fits you like your love? I was born to love you, even when it cuts me through. Even if the sky falls down, I'll be reaching out for you. Every sky we walk through.
As we wait for the tomatoes to get ready, I'll be also preparing our nakati, the greens, getting them ready so that I can cook them. So I'm just going to be removing the leaves. I'm going to be showing you how, and this is how they actually sell them from the market. This one batch you're seeing tied here is for 500, and then this other one here is for 500 as well. So two of them are for 1,000, and if you see, they actually are for 2,000 all at once. So these are the leaves I'm going to be removing, and this is how I usually do it. After we dispose of this right here, we are not eating it, and so yeah, that is how we are going to be doing it as we wait for our tomatoes to get ready. So one thing I've actually discovered about healthy eating, I'm actually resorting to that, and I'm so proud of myself that I'm now making healthy meals for my family. One thing I've discovered is that eating healthy is actually not expensive. Let me tell you guys. When we look at the healthy options, you'll find that in the market, actually these things are not that expensive. And this makes me to wonder that even though the unhealthy options, quote unquote, are expensive, but people still buy them. And yeah, why are we buying unhealthy, expensive food when there is cheap, healthy food? Well, that is a thing that we really need to discuss. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? So right now our tomatoes are actually ready, and I've added in our carrots. Then later I'll be adding in the beans, and as we go on.
You're humming in the kitchen, bare feet on the cold tile floor. You say the coffee tastes too bitter, but you're sipping like you want more.
You laugh at all my worst jokes, flip through the same old shows. You say you're scared of changing, but you're braver than you know. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're close enough to fly. We're late for every party,
Lose keys in the same old drawer.
you say your dreams feel heavy,
I say that's what my arms are for. We argue over small things, then fall asleep still face to face. You say you're hard to handle, I just call it grace. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone.
So the spices, you saw me adding in a black pepper, turmeric, and then some roiko. Those are the ones that I always add in our beans, but you can actually use any spices of your choice. And then later I had to add in this bean soup that remained from cooking it. I'll be adding in some little bit of water. I always love eating the beans when they are thick and, you know, juicy. So this is how it's looking like at the moment. It's already appetizing, guys. Oh my god.
Get the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to try. Close enough to stumble, close enough to rise. You lean into my shoulder and the ground falls out of sight. I never wanna walk this world alone. We're close enough to fly.
you stir your tea, watch the little waves between us. You say my name like you're testing how it feels.
I trace the steam, wish I'd memorized this moment. Every quiet breath says more than what we spill.
We almost said it out loud, hearts leaning over the sound of the rain on the window, of the clock ticking slow. We almost let it all fall right there in your tiny hall. But we smiled and we shook it off somehow. We almost said it out loud.
You walk me home the painted arrows. You brush my head when you pull your fingers back.
So now that I'm done washing the greens, this is how I'm going to be chopping them. Again, I'll be picking one leaf after the other, just like I did when I was getting them off the branches, and then down to the chopping board and chopping everything into smaller pieces. So yeah, I actually love doing this.
And we turned our faces down. We almost said it out loud. We'll miss our chance for the last time.
We'll finally cross that tiny line we drew.
If I speak first, will you meet me in the middle? If you say stay, I swear I'll say it too.
And then on cooking the greens, I've only added tomatoes, onions, and then some carrots. We love eating our carrots sliced up like that. And then I've not added any oil. Yeah, so it depends on what you actually want. You can add some little bit of vegetable oil or not add at all. We love eating our greens without any oil. So I also love the color that carrots add to these greens, guys. Yeah, so that is basically how we cook the greens, and they are ready at the moment, just like you can see here. So yeah, I'll be serving them in a bit, but before that I have matoke to peel, so I'm going to be peeling this matoke and then cooking it as well.
Kitchen, bare feet on the cold tile floor. You say the coffee tastes too bitter, but you're sipping like you want more.
You laugh at all my worst jokes, flip through the same old shows. You say you're scared of changing, but you're braver than you know. We're not perfect, but we're close enough to fly. Hands a little shaky, heart's a little high. You lean into my shoulder, I forget the reasons why I ever thought I'd do this life alone. We're close enough to fly.
So when I got done with peeling, I cooked the matoke, and this is how our food turned out. Yeah, it's that good and it was that tasty. It's looking really nice. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for always coming along with us as we cook and share with you all these family moments. It's always a pleasure. And let me know down in the comment section which other kind of videos would you like to be watching on this platform. I'll be so glad to share with you. Actually, this is part of the meals on the meal plan that I am selling, a family friendly meal plan. And if you'd like to have one, kindly send me a message or just comment down below, and then I'll be sharing with you. The meal plan goes for only $70 and it comes with a monthly shopping list. It comes with ideas and tips of how you can actually preserve your food to last longer and also have healthy meals for your family. And it is also children friendly. So if you're a family and you'd like to start making healthy meals for your family, kindly reach out on the number in the description box below, or just leave a message in the comment section and I will be replying to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in the next video.